All right, everybody, here we are. This is my neighbor, and look at this jackfruit tree. This is Bangkok Lemon, and it is ready now. And he's about to cut the first one of the year. And when did he start showing up?
So today, I mean,
No, when did they start showing up on the tree? How long ago?
oh, the tree was 3 years old from a 3-gallon tree, and it had 16 fruit the first year of fruit.
But this year, when did the first fruit appear on the tree?
I don't remember the exact date. But
Wow.
anyway, what's really interesting is now, for the first time, I cut back another tree, and it gave this sunshine on this side of the tree. The tree has produced about twice as many fruit as it normally does. And the difference is these fruit are half the size of the other ones. The other ones were averaging about 38 pounds each. This one here.
But there's more in the tree, too.
Yeah, they're all over the place. I don't know how many there are. I haven't even counted them. But there's more on the tree, a lot more, and they're smaller. This is actually better for people that want them because now they're small enough where you can actually eat a whole one, at a setting or two with another person.
So cut the first one of the year, and then we're going to take it inside, and we're going to eat it.
Yeah.
But this one is smelling, so we know it's ready because it smells. This is Bangkok Lemon 2025, the first fruit of the year.
Now, you notice that it's not dripping out a lot of white sap.
Because it was ready.
That's right, because the tree, the fruit was really ready.
And it won't be hard to cut open. It shouldn't be as sappy when you cut it open.
Right, exactly. So it should be a beauty tomorrow.
Well,
we'll check it out.
Nice. All right. We'll continue tomorrow when we eat this and dig into it.
Yes.
All right. All right. We picked the fruit here a couple of days ago, and here we are back at my neighbor's house. And Alexis is here. We're going to taste these. These are Bangkok Lemon. So how many came off the tree in the last few days?
There's been one coming off the tree every day. This one right here fell off the tree yesterday on its own. I walked out there and it's laying on the ground. Kind of crushed the bottom end of it because a lot of weight hit the bottom. So it's mashed up a little bit, but it shouldn't affect it.
So there should be a lot less latex on the ones that naturally fell off.
Right. So let's cut her.
Now, normally people, when you cut a jackfruit, you should put oil on the knife because if there is latex, it will definitely mess it up. Yeah.
But in this particular case, if you get one that's really ripe, tree ripened,
it won't.
It didn't drip. It doesn't drip. It's already the wax is already went back into the tree. But there's going to be some.
And for purposes of the video, we are in May 5th right now.
So this one here hit the ground, that end.
This is the Bangkok Lemon variety.
And that's where it hit the ground. You see that color shouldn't be there. So it fell off the tree. It's the first one in all these years that ever fell off the tree by itself. So that's kind of interesting.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, let's see.
This is one of the better varieties. They're all good, but this one is exceptionally well. This is Bangkok Lemon. Most of the local nurseries that sell jackfruit have this tree for sale.
So it looks like it's actually overripe. That's why it fell. It's a little too ripe. See that? Starting to go.
Try that piece?
Yeah, try it.
Now, you had this in your fridge since last night.
Yesterday, yeah, last night.
It's a little, it's still a little dry, but it's a lot more moist than the one that you did yesterday.
Okay.
There's no latex.
Oh, it's excellent, though.
Oh, that is excellent.
Excellent.
It is excellent.
But it is very moist.
This one's a lot moister than the other one.
Amazing what just one day of really good rain does.
Yeah. Well, up until that rain was here, the first one that came off the tree that we picked, you see on the video, that one was very sweet, but it wasn't juicy like this one is. Just 2 days of rain is what we had.
Well, tree ripened fruit, you can't get better than that. You can't buy something that's good in the store either. Yeah.
That is delicious.
Now, another thing about these jackfruit is these are the seeds on them. What you do, these taste just like chestnuts, so you don't throw them away. You boil them for about 10 minutes, and then you bake them into the oven. into whatever dish that you want to. And when you boil them, there's a little, you can't see it, there's a shell, a little skin shell that comes off. And you peel it, a lot of times it'll peel off on its own when it's been boiled. But they're excellent. It's a shame to waste them. Or you can plant them, and these will grow a jackfruit tree very much like the original. So you don't have
Most of the time.
most of the time.
Yeah.
Most of the
You're
time.
better off getting a grafted tree so you know all the time.
Yeah, it's true.
However, if you don't have a lot of space, planting these the tree will grow straight up and stay skinny, so you can plant them very close together.
Exactly. I don't know how many I've got out there, but every year this particular tree puts out about 500 pounds of jackfruit, and the fruit averaged 38 pounds is what we've been figuring. Now this year, because I had another tree, I realized I don't need 500 pounds of jackfruit. And I had two trees, I was getting 1,000 pounds. So I got rid of one tree, and when I did that, for some reason or another, I don't know if it had anything to do with it, it gave it more sun on one side, and I got twice as many fruit this year, but half the size. So I probably still have 500 pounds in smaller packages, which works great for people that want them, because most people can't handle the big fruit. By the way, I've got some if anybody needs any for sale right now in Lake Worth if you're local.
Okay, I'll put the contact information below. What do you think of this variety?
I really, really like it. It does have a very lemony flavor to it, and it's like lemon bubble gum that you can eat.
This one definitely was in there. It was on the tree. This is when it fell. Look at that. On its own. I mean, the fruit's good, but look at it.
You can see the color difference.
It went bad quick,
Delicious.
but it sure is good, huh?
All right, so he's going to cut the second one open. That was from yesterday. It's not as moist as this one. It's not tree fallen, but
it actually looks pretty good. This one does. Actually, it looks nice. Now, that's the way they should look. That's the right color.
That looks moist.
Yeah, it looks moist. I can tell it feels moist too. So this one might be just right for you, Paul.
all right, let's try it. Yeah. And there's no sap in there. Amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. No sap.
Yeah, this is a lot better than the one I had. It was 2 days ago.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, the rain. This is
Okay, I'll take it.
just after the rain.
Beautiful.
We had the rain, and that made a difference. Now, I was telling him too much rain, I've had him split.
Yeah, I'll leave this one here and I'll take that one.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
But I like this, but my wife will like that one. But excellent. Thank you.
Oh, damn good.
Yeah.
Oh, you're better than that one.
Everybody, make sure you get these while they're ready.
Yeah.
Amazing.